Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to customize your Discord profile banner. Your Discord profile banner helps personalize your account and make your profile stand out. To get started, open Discord on your desktop or mobile device and go to the bottom left to click on your profile. Click on your profile, then select Edit Profile. From here, you can change your display name, add pronouns, change your avatar, and update decorations to change the banner. Go to the settings on the right and click on Change Banner. You can upload an image from your device or choose a GIF. Note that you need Discord Nitro to upload a custom banner. If you don't have Nitro, scroll down to Banner Color and choose a simple banner color to your liking. Click on Save Changes. Even without Nitro, Discord still allows limited customization by letting you choose a profile theme color, which appears as a simple banner background on your profile. After updating your banner or color, visit your profile to preview how it looks to others. A clean, well-sized image works best to avoid cropping or blur. We just learned where to find profile settings in Discord, how to change the profile banner with Nitro, and how free users can customize profile colors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.